Elon Musk is one of the most famous entrepreneurs in the world. He is known for dreaming big and working very hard to change the future of humanity. He is the man behind companies like Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and The Boring Company. His life story is not easy. It is full of struggle, failure, risk, and success. But Elon Musk did not start as a rich or powerful person. He was just a curious, lonely, and intelligent boy who loved to read books and imagine the future. This is the story of how a quiet boy became one of the most powerful innovators in the world. Early life of Elon Musk. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. His mother's name was May Musk, and she was a model and dietitian. His father's name was Errol Musk, and he was an engineer. From a very young age, Elon was different from other children. While other kids were playing outside, Elon was sitting in his room reading books for hours. He loved books about science, physics, space, and inventions. Sometimes he would read 2 books in one day. He was very quiet. Many people thought he was strange or not normal, but inside his mind, there were many ideas about the future. When Elon was just 9 years old, he read the Encyclopedia Britannica completely. Imagine that, a 9-year-old boy reading a whole encyclopedia. He was very interested in computers, too. When he was 10 years old, he learned how to use a computer. He later taught himself computer programming. By the age of 12, Elon created his first video game. The game was called Blastar. He sold that game for $500. That was his first money earned from technology. But his childhood was not happy. A difficult childhood. At school, Elon was often bullied by other students. Some children beat him badly. One time, he was pushed down the stairs and he had to go to the hospital. He felt lonely. He felt different. He did not have many friends. At home, life was also difficult. His parents got divorced. He lived with his father for some time, but later he said it was a big mistake. He had a bad relationship with his father. But Elon did not give up. He found comfort in books, computers, and ideas. These 3 things became his best friends. He started dreaming big dreams, living on another planet, sending humans to Mars, creating electric cars, helping the human brain with technology, making the world use clean energy. At that time, everyone laughed at him, but he never stopped believing. Leaving South Africa. Elon knew that South Africa could not give him the future he wanted. He wanted to go to America, the land of innovation and opportunities. But it was not easy. He first moved to Canada when he was 17 years old. He went there because his mother was born in Canada, so he could get citizenship. He entered Queen's University in Ontario to study. He was still poor. He worked many small jobs, cleaning boilers, working at farms, carrying heavy objects. He did these jobs to pay for his food and studies. Later, he transferred to the University of Pennsylvania, USA. There he studied physics, economics. Even in university, Elon was not a normal student. He was always thinking of new ideas. He wanted to do things that nobody else had done before. After finishing university, he applied to Stanford University for a PhD program in energy physics. But he never attended even one class because something big was about to happen. The beginning of a billionaire. First company, Zip2. In 1995, Elon Musk decided to start his first company with his brother, Kimball Musk. They named the company Zip2. Zip2 was a company that helped newspapers put their business directories on the internet. It was like an online map and business finder. At that time, the internet was new. Very few people believed in it. Elon and his brother had no money to rent an office. They slept in the office, took showers in a nearby gym, and worked day and night on one computer. They coded, fixed bugs, met clients, failed, learned, and tried again. After some years of hard work, their company became successful. In 1999, a big company bought Zip2 for $307 million. Elon Musk received $22 million from that deal. He was now a millionaire at a very young age. But did he relax and enjoy life? No. He did something that most people would be afraid to do. He risked it all again. The big risk. X.com and PayPal. With the money from Zip2, Elon started a new company in 1999. He named it X.com. This company was about online banking. It allowed people to send money through email. This was a new and dangerous idea at that time. People said, "It will never work. No one will trust online money. This is too risky." But Elon did not care. Later, X.com became PayPal. PayPal became very famous on the internet. Millions of people started using it to send and receive money online. In 2002, PayPal was sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. Elon Musk received about $180 million from that deal. He could now live the most luxurious life in the world. He could buy islands, he could buy planes, he could rest and enjoy. But Elon Musk was not like other people. He had a bigger dream, a crazy dream, a dream that even scientists thought was impossible, a dream to go to space. The crazy dream, SpaceX. Everyone told Elon, "You are crazy. Space is for governments, not for businessmen." But Elon said, "If humans do not become a multiplanetary species, we will die someday." In 2002, he started SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corp. His goal was simple but huge: take humans to Mars. He invested most of his PayPal money into SpaceX. Almost all of it. People laughed at him. Rocket tests failed again and again. Money was running out. His friends said he was destroying his life. But Elon did not stop. He slept on the factory floor. He worked 20 hours a day. He checked every small detail. Then something big happened. In 2008, SpaceX successfully launched a rocket into orbit. It was the first private company to do so. NASA noticed him. NASA gave SpaceX a $16 billion contract. Elon Musk had finally proven everyone wrong. Had a painful childhood. Loved books and computers. Moved to Canada and then America. Created Zip2 and PayPal. Started SpaceX to send humans to space. But this was only the beginning. His next mission was not just in the sky. It was on the roads of the world. He wanted to change how humans drive forever. The beginning of Tesla, changing the car industry. In 2004, Elon Musk joined a small electric car company named Tesla Motors. At that time, most people believed that electric cars were slow, ugly, and useless. People laughed at the idea. Gasoline cars controlled the world, but Elon believed something different. He believed that fossil fuels were destroying the earth. Climate change was a real danger. The world needed clean and renewable energy. He invested $6.5 million of his own money in Tesla and became the chairman of the company. Later, he became the CEO. His dream was simple but powerful. I want to make electric cars better than gasoline cars. But this dream was very difficult. Problems and pain in Tesla. Tesla did not become successful quickly. In fact, the company almost failed many times. The first car was called Tesla Roadster. It was expensive, it had problems, it did not work well. Money was disappearing fast. Elon Musk took personal loans to keep the company alive. At the same time, his personal life was also breaking. He got divorced, he lost many friends. People criticized him on TV and social media. Media called him a failed businessman. In 2008, both Tesla and SpaceX were about to die. He had almost $0 left. He had only two choices: give up and go home, risk everything and fight. Elon chose fight. He divided the last of his money between Tesla and SpaceX. And just before bankruptcy, a miracle happened. Investors came. NASA signed contracts. Tesla saved itself. SpaceX survived. And Elon Musk stayed on the path to greatness. Tesla becomes a giant. Slowly, Tesla started creating new and better cars. Model S, Model X, Model 3, Model Y. These cars were fast, beautiful, smart, electric, full of technology. The world was shocked. Tesla became the most valuable car company in the world, and Elon Musk became one of the richest men in human history. But he still lived a simple life. He said, "I don't care about money. I care about the future." The mission to save Earth. Elon Musk was not only making cars, he also created SolarCity, which later joined with Tesla. This company created solar panels, solar roofs, clean energy solutions. He wanted people to use sunlight instead of oil. His goal was a world without pollution, a world without fossil fuel, a world powered by the sun. Neuralink, connecting the human brain to machines. In 2016, Elon Musk started another company called Neuralink. The purpose was very strange, very futuristic. He wanted to connect the human brain to computers. This could help paralyzed people walk, blind people see, brain diseases to be cured, humans to be smarter. He believes that in the future, humans and AI must work together, or humans will lose control. Neuralink is still in development, but it is one of the most advanced brain technology projects in the world. The Boring Company, fixing traffic. Elon Musk hates traffic. He said, "Traffic is like hell." So he created the Boring Company. The idea was to build tunnels underground for fast transportation. Cars can move underground in tunnels at a high speed. He wants to make no traffic, faster travel, smarter cities. People laughed again. But today, his tunnels are already built in some places. Mission Mars. Above everything else, one dream never leaves Elon's mind. Mars. He believes that one day, Earth might be destroyed by climate change, nuclear war, asteroids, AI disaster. So he wants humans to live on two planets, Earth and Mars. SpaceX is building a powerful rocket called Starship. This rocket will carry 100+ humans, fly to Mars, create a new city on Mars. He says, "I want to die on Mars, but not on impact." Elon Musk's personal life. Elon Musk has been married and divorced several times. He has many children. He works almost 100 hours per week. He sleeps very little. His life is full of pressure, criticism, success, and loneliness. Many people hate him. Many people love him. But nobody can ignore him. He is changing the world in real time. Lessons from Elon Musk's life. Here are some powerful lessons from his journey. Never be afraid to dream big. Failure is not the end. Risk is necessary to win. Work harder than everyone. Learn every day. Do what others call impossible. Ignore negative voices. Think about the future of humanity.